I love the fact that it's giving me more options to get a little deeper into it. So let's go with the high fashion Vogue look. Again, doing this, you know, kind of repetitiously and just finding the right look that you want is going to make all the difference in the world, because all I'm going to do is simply just copy and paste this right inside Midjourney, and I'll be able to be good to go. Mikasa. Okay, perfect. Let's see if they're gonna be giving me any type of recommendations. As a matter of fact, I think I want to do one more thing, and that is going to be changing the ethnicity of the people, just kind of giving a good variety of people. For each prompt, can you also change up the ethnicity of each person? I don't want it to be just fully one person, so each prompt just has a person of a different ethnicity. Perfecto. All right, so consistent lighting diagrams. Let's see. No, I don't want consistent. Let's say various lighting diagrams. Also provide various and various poses. If there's anything else, give all one unified color. All right, let's turn this into a full Vogue style editorial. So yeah, this is definitely the process in which it sometimes calls for, but I am happy that we have it. So I don't know what's going on now. I think it's just giving me different ideas. So I'm actually going to ask it to combine these into different prompts. Just say the word and I'll merge everything into one finished set. Yeah, I think that's what I want. Yes. All right. So it's getting that detailed in terms of the pose, the style reference, the shot, how it's horizontal, all the things. So we're going to start copying and pasting now, right before it even finishes. So we already have Midjourney set up, 16 by 9. I'm going to start pasting it in. Just want to make sure that we are actually creating. Yep, we're creating stuff. It's right there. Got Goku next. I know who that is. And we're already kind of seeing what we got. So Saitama, I'm not really familiar with this. I believe this is One Punch Man. So let me kind of just type in Saitama. Okay, so that's who this is. I do recognize him just a smidge, and it is really giving definitely those vibes, especially with this one right here. And if this is Goku, then yeah, I definitely recognize Goku with the colors. So yeah, this is fantastic. This is exactly what I am looking for. So let's go ahead, copy Naruto, paste that. I love that fact that Midjourney does create the